I'm saying this with bittersweet memories. My car is for sale. 1929 Ford Roadster. Asking $29,000. The Hagerty insured amount is $35,000. This is a real steel Ford body, not a reproduction. It started its life as a coupe, and someone cut off the top. There have been several changes since it was built. And it has to go. Yes, today $29,000 will move it out the door. Hope you enjoy it as much as I did. For more information, check out my YouTube description.